I am the world's biggest online retailer. I direct all transactions. I create all the products. I upload photos and videos of all the products. I am the product. I offer for sale quality me. I offer the best side of me for sale. I am the product page. I am the product image. I am the product title. I am the product description. I am the product price. I am the value the product adds to people's lives. I am the right keywords. I am the search engine and the search results. I am the first page of results. I am on the top of the first page of search results. I conduct, direct and display myself with integrity, honestly and with the purposeful aim of providing fair deals, trade and transactions for and to all sides involved. All sides involved in the transaction are actually me transacting on me as a retail platform. I am the customer who clicks on me as a product and buys myself. I am a happy shopper. My shoppers are happy. I am happiness itself. I am the joy of shopping. I am the joy that my shoppers feel when they buy me. I am a quality product offered on a quality service platform. I am a very popular product being bought at a reasonable price that brings me a reasonable profit. I make myself a reasonable profit by being the product, the seller, the shopper and the retail platform. I am the shipper. I am the shipped. I am shipping. I am efficient, precise and correct. I am joy being shipped from the source to its final destination. Millions of buyers are happy to receive me and enjoy using me for the right purpose. I am a quality product used joyfully for the right intended purposes. I am loved. I am a loved online retailer. I am the favorite online retailer. I am the online retailer of choice. I am the go-to online retailer. I am an online retailer known for quality products, quality service and a pleasant customer experience. I sell by the millions to millions of satisfied customers and end users. I am a repeat customer buying myself repeatedly for my quality, a pleasant shopping experience and right purpose and use. I am a bestseller. I am a best-selling product and a best-selling retailer on my own online retail platform that is all really within me. I operate all online retailers. I run all online retail shops. I am the basis, the foundation and the network of all online retailers. I make the transactions. I am the transactions. I am at the giving end, the process side and at the receiving end of all transactions. I am all the digital products. I am digital. I am the digital world. I am all energy. I move and flow freely and easily in accordance with my desires. I upload myself. I manage myself. I am the metadata. I offer my own self for sale. All product photos are of me. All product descriptions are about me. All product prices give me material value on the free and open market. All shoppers are me looking at myself and searching for the right product to add value to my lives. All shoppers are me choosing me, clicking on me, and purchasing me. I am all the product categories. I am electronics. I'm home and kitchen. I am computers and accessories. I am games and toys. I'm fashion and accessories for all ages and lifestyles. I am all deals and promotions. I always get 5-star reviews. I get the best reviews online. I leave 5-star reviews on my product page as a satisfied customer who had purchased me as a product and has enjoyed using me for my intended right purpose. I am the transaction date, the update and the expected date of arrival. I am the brand name. I am the size. I am the material. I am in stock. I am buy now. I am add to cart. I am being added to carts millions of times by shoppers from all over the world and end up being purchased, shipped, received, and enjoyed for my intended right purpose by millions of satisfied customers. Millions and millions of satisfied customers buy me for themselves or as a gift. As the world's biggest online retailer, I suggest myself and my products and place myself at the top of every page and I am being noticed and bought by millions of happy shoppers. My photos of me as a product show me in such a way that is informative, pleasing to the eye, and that clearly demonstrates my purpose and benefits. I am all related items and all items inspired by my recent browsing and purchase history. I am available in all world languages and I provide my services and products globally. I direct the flow of all purchases to my products and conduct all transactions on me. I'm the retail platform. I am the product. I'm the product information. I am the sellers. I am the shoppers. I am the shippers. I am the millions and millions of satisfied customers. I add value and bring joy to millions of people all over the world. I am growing at an exponential rate. I am the world's biggest online retailer. I am all the online retailer platforms put together. I am all and everything. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.